investigation, your report, before the Special Investigation Task Force was created? Did you have?
We submitted the investigation report that we have, initial investigation report and the progress report that we have to the district level, Your Honor, to the D7 or the District Investigation Detection Management Unit. Kasi sila na yung nagko-collate po ng lahat ng report coming from those members of the SITG. Kunyari, nakakuha sila ng report dun sa SOCO, isa-submit din ng SOCO yung report dun sa investigation, co-collate din, magka-come up ng nagmi-meeting ho yan, Your Honor.
Yeah,
Every time
okay.
there will be a meeting. So, kung ano yung ano ng member, pag ano nung chairman ng SITG, he'll just, the Chief of Police, Colonel Geraldo, you conduct to follow up on this matter. CIDG, you follow up on this. Then, every week, we have this meeting for us to sum up with the, to analyze on the, or to assess on the reports that being gathered by different units on that time, Your Honor.
So, your initial investigation in your report, yung progress report, so I presume when you use the term progress, ibig sabihin, it's an evolving investigation, hindi ba? Your initial report, you submitted to the SITF, TG, I'm sorry. Was there any portion of your initial report that was changed?
No, Your Honor. It is approved initially by the IOC and the Chief Investigation at to my level. Then isasubmit namin yung report na nila na gather nila. Then it will be received properly by the IDM. Kung ano yung sinubmit, in toto po yun, Your Honor. Kung ano yung content ng yun din ng report na nandun sa kanila, Your Honor.
So the succeeding investigation as a follow-up complemented your initial report. Yun ba yung gusto niyong sabihin sa komite? That nothing was changed? Nothing was even improved on?
Hindi ho tayo immediately, Your Honor, na mag-conclude kasi nga we could not file a case unless it is airtight,
No,
Your
before
Honor.
tayo mag-file, what I'm asking you is that your initial report that you have arrived at as a product and a result of your immediate investigation of the murder in the
Yes,
murder in the scene of the crime,
Yes, Your Honor.
was there